Days after the FDA approved the first at-home COVID-19 testing kit, there's new concern that an increasing number of tests are being sold online and misleading consumers. Some even claim they can detect the virus. Others claim they can detect antibodies, but they may not be accurate. CBS 2's Lisa Rozner reports.
Comac clothing store Tandywear has transformed into a mask-selling business. But before Ashley Allen went in to help her mom, the owner, she wanted to get an antibody test and found this one online. By phone, she told us it required her to prick her finger at home.
There's a line next to the C that means that you're negative.
But after seeing the disclaimer it was not FDA approved, she questioned its accuracy. So-called rapid tests that claim to provide results within minutes. But the tests are being marketed to doctors and consumers online. Microbiologist Dr. Dean Hart said one company tried selling this one for $40 a pop to a surgeon he knows.
There's a whole market like of knockoff tests. So home tests will be great. That's going to be wonderful, but they're not available legitimately at this point in time.
That's why U.S. Senator Chuck Schumer today sent a letter to FDA Commissioner Stephen Hahn requesting the agency ramp up policing of tests sold online, publicly list which tests are approved and not approved, and penalize companies that do not notify the FDA of their accuracy by issuing cease and desist orders and imposing large fines. Given the national emergency, the FDA is allowing some companies to sell antibody tests without approval if proof of accuracy is provided and it's done in a high complexity lab. But at-home tests do not fall in that category.
There is no excuse for not having all of the tests approved. But imagine if it doesn't work and it's an antibody test. You get a false positive and you think you have the antibodies, and you go out on the street and you could get COVID.
The only at-home testing kit approved by the FDA is called Pixel by LabCorp. It's a nasal swab for COVID-19 and is only available to first responders and healthcare workers.
An FDA spokesperson tells me the agency is working on providing more clarity for consumers on which tests are approved. It is aware that some developers are making false claims and has sent them warning letters. She also adds that fraudulent test kits are being detained at the border. On the west side, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.